welcome back to my channel. So excited to be back. Today we are doing a wig review, and this is Wig Dominica. So cute. And she is by Outre, and this is from their Perfect Hairline collection. Love it. But I do have my opinions, of course, so let's just get into the video and get to it. I am not going to talk too much through this tutorial. I'm just going to show you how I'm about to put on this wig, and mostly just kind of tell you about the wig itself and let you know if you need to get it or not. I mean, obviously, if I got the wig, I want you to get the wig. Like, duh. I kind of just feel like I'm gonna just let the reviews be a review. I'm just gonna tell you about the hair itself, all the details, what it looks like, all that fun stuff. I just feel like the reviews don't need to be long, so they're gonna be nice and to the point. I'm trying to get more content out to you guys. I hope you guys like that new direction. I've been thinking about it for a while, so let's get into this review, honey. Just started off, I have the Outre Perfect Hairline in Dominica. I really have been feeling sensational a lot more, and I will definitely like plug pictures, links, all of the descriptions down below.
In the darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hate the cold. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to leave. Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes there's nowhere to go, 'cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, I see it in your tired eyes, that you still have more to go.
Install done. I am done. I am done fixing this wig. Honestly, it's not my favorite, but it's so cute. Honestly, I think this is a super cute wig, but I don't think it's gonna last long. And I say that because look at it. I'm just not, I don't even know. I'm kind of trying to like reform the curls little by little. But yeah, so install done. So I could like style it like a different way, or really try to get it to do what it want to do, but it's just like, it's already gonna be like a big wig. Like, I feel it in my soul. Here is the final details. Like, the biggest con, tangling. No, The lace, really, really good. Like, I never do baby hairs, and that actually looks pretty natural for me. You can't tell me this isn't mine. I might even like darken like the center, but it looks kind of natural, so I feel like I might not change it. I don't know, y'all. How do y'all feel? Even though it is like super, super, super big, I feel like it looks really natural. Like, I'm feeling it. It's just this side that just got big out of nowhere. I'm trying not to touch this side because if I fluff this side to match this side, my head's gonna be gigantic. So I'm like, and I didn't even cut it. It already came layered. One of the pros, it did come layered. You can like clearly see all of the layers like in the bangs. I need to fluff this side. Like, I have to do it. Oh no. Whew. But yeah, it's looking pretty cute. I love the fact that it has transparent lace. Biggest pro, because not a lot of synthetic wigs come with transparent lace. I mean, I really didn't pluck anything. I just kind of cut my baby hairs. I could have had them a little thinner, but I mean, it kind of matches. Like, if I would have did them really thin, then I don't think it would have matched, because like the hair is this big, this thick. Like, of course my edge is about to be thick. So I'm really happy about this. I wonder how you guys feel about the new structure of these videos, but I don't mind it. My mom was like, your hair is so big. I was like, whatever. But yeah, if you're not a big haired girl, I would suggest not to get this wig. Like, even though it looks cute, don't get it if you're not into big hair, because it will trip you up. I mean, I don't mind big hair. I love volume, so that's why I love the wig. But it's just the tangling for me that's like the biggest con. I think that's the only con I can actually say. The fact that it does tangle very, very badly. There were more pros than cons. I just know I can't have this wig for that long, or I can't wear it as often. You guys, I love this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will write all of the details down below in the description where you can get this wig from. I am so excited for you guys to see like more hair content. Like,
who wanna be my boyfriend? I gotta come off sexy and not so aggressive. Who wanna be my boyfriend?
Let me tell you something, Tracy. It can't be anything like right into her heart. It does, doesn't it? Tracy, you're so...
My steps are melting away. What is it, if I got feet of clay or something? It's not under the pool, it's just over the lawn and in the birch grove. It'll be lovely now.